How to download HP printer drivers on Windows 11. Looking for a quick and easy way to download the drivers for your HP printer on Windows 11? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get the correct drivers installed without any confusion. And if you enjoy simple step-by-step tutorials, make sure to subscribe for more helpful how-to guides. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your Windows 11 computer and search for HP printer drivers. From the search results, open the official HP website. It's important to use HP's official support page so you download the correct drivers for your printer. Next, you'll need to identify your printer model. HP usually lets you search using the product name, product number, or serial number. You can normally find this information on a label located on the back or inside your printer. Enter the required information into the search box, then select your exact printer model from the results. Once you've selected your printer, scroll down until you find the Drivers section. Open the driver category and look for the full software and drivers package, then click the Download button next to it. The driver installer will be saved to your computer, usually in your Downloads folder. After the download finishes, open the file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the software and drivers. Once the installation is complete, your HP printer should have the latest available drivers installed and be ready to use with your Windows 11 PC. And that's how you can download and install HP printer drivers on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides, useful tips, and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.